So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB Chemistry Exam Revision series, we have here these 4 questions to answer on the topic non-metals and their compounds. So guys, this video will be about phosphorus. So in short, stay till the end of this video. Also, at any point where if you want to answer this question before we provide the answer, you can pause the video at that point and try to get the answer to the question before we provide the answer thereafter. So guys, let's start quickly with the first question here. It says, what's the most stable and least reactive allotrope of phosphorus? A, black phosphorus. B, white phosphorus. C, red phosphorus. D, violet phosphorus. So guys, the answer to this question is option A here. That's a black phosphorus. The black phosphorus is actually the most stable and least reactive allotrope of phosphorus. So already we know that allotropes are different structural modifications of an element. So the atoms of the elements are bonded together in a different manner. So in this case of phosphorus, black phosphorus is the most thermodynamically stable under normal conditions. And that translates to be that it would be the most stable and still least reactive allotrope of phosphorus. So let's consider the next question. Question number 2. It says phosphorus is stored underwater to prevent it from A, catching fire, B, smelling, C, becoming inert, and D, dehydrating. So guys, the answer to this question is option A. Phosphorus is stored underwater to prevent it from catching fire. So let's consider the next question, guys. Question number 3. It says the allotropes of phosphorus include the following except A, black, B, white, C, red, D, yellow. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here. That's yellow. Yellow phosphorus is not an allotrope of phosphorus. Therefore, the correct answer here, guys, is option D here, which is yellow. We have white, we have red, we have black allotropes of phosphorus, but not yellow. So let's consider the next and the last question, guys. Question number 4 here. It says phosphorus is stored underwater to prevent it from. So guys, we've already answered this question before now, and this will be like a bonus to you guys. So try out to get the answer to this question by pausing the video. Okay, so I believe you've guessed rightly the answer to this question, and that's option D here, catching fire. This is where we'll end this video, guys, for today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not a subscriber. If you have any specific question regarding this video, guys, you can drop your question on the comment section below and we'll ensure to give you a response. So guys, we also want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community by hitting the join button below. Then you gain access to this community where we'll post a lot of updates for you guys on JAMB examination. This will help you even as you prepare for your JAMB examination for the year. So thank you once again for watching this video and see you on the next one.